Here we go, cube 3. Alright. Pasok na tayo sa beach area mga kabrads. Let's go. Bilugan no? Luwag no? Malapit na, di ba? Punta tayo sa cube 3. Cube 3. Sama ko si Kuya Emo at si Pads. Pari-padero. Dito tayo sa may bandang ibabaw ng cube 3. At titingnan natin yung beach area dito kung makakuha tayo ng pwesto. Alright. Trekking, hiking maganda rito. Adventure trip. Pagbaba mo, alright, dagat na. Ganito lang yung mga daanan muna rito dahil hindi pa masyadong na-develop at medyo bato-bato pa. Yung bangka mo pa dyan pa sa baba. Munti hindi ninanakaw. Sabagay, sa una lang naman yan eh. Yan na yata eh, di ba? Puno rin yung mga katin sila. Magkano ba yung mga ganun, Pads? Ayan, medyo malapit na kami. Dati yan. Na-stuck lang yan.
A few moments later.
Ayan. Entrance fee, 20 pesos. Opo. Nandyan siya?
Andyan po.
Sige po. Yan yung cube 3.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlled.